This is our model AH 15-ton Hydro-Pneumatic press. It's a 15-ton unit at 100 psi. We've also incorporated a linear position transducer and a rod end load cell to monitor the distance and force exerted on the part. This is all tied into our press force monitor. Currently, right now, we have the force set up at 15,000 pounds on the lower limit, 16,000 pounds on the upper limit. The distance is set lower limit at 1.12 inches, the upper is at 1.15 inches. I'll run a press stroke for you right now. As you can see, we stroked down 1.13 inches, so it was within the window, and we exerted 15,652 pounds on the press stroke. I'll run another cycle for a minute, and I'll put a 15,000 shim in. As you can see, we have a fault indicator that was not a good press cycle. We still exerted the 15,600 pounds in between the limits of the force, but our distance, we only traveled down 1.12 inches. That was on the lower limit, so that initiated that we had a non-conforming part.